This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and going straight to copyright. Look at the exact claim type and who claimed it. Once you see timestamps and the asset ID, write them down. This is the evidence you will reference. Next, decide quickly whether to remove or replace the audio, mute the claimed segment, or file a dispute. You need to know why it was flagged. Often it is content ID matching a commercial track, so choose the route that fits the claim. Once you choose a fix, act precisely. Open the editor to mute the exact timestamps or replace the track with one from YouTube Audio Library. If replacing, trim and align the new audio to the same duration. Make sure levels match so speech remains clear. If you prefer editing off-platform, download the video, perform the audio swap in your editor, then export with identical metadata to avoid reprocessing delays. Make sure to keep a copy. Finally, save your changes and monitor the copyright tab for updates. YouTube often reevaluates within 24 to 48 hours. If you opted to dispute, submit concise evidence, timestamps, license or proof of permission, and a clear explanation of why you own or rightly use the audio. If the claim persists, try contacting the claimant directly or re-editing the segment to remove the matching audio. If nothing works, a last resort is to replace the clip entirely and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.